Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the RMSA which consists on Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan. RMSA aimed at expanding and improving the standards of secondary education. RMSA is the most recent initiative of Government of India to achieve the goal of universalization of secondary education. With a special successful implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, a large number of students are passing out from upper primary classes, creating a huge demand for secondary education. This scheme was launched in March 2009 so it started from 2009 to 10 to improving the standard of secondary education. It is envisaged to achieve an enrollment rate of 75% from 52.26% in 2005 to 6 at secondary stage within 5 years of implementation of the scheme. Next one is the purpose of RMSA. The vision of secondary education is to make good quality education available, accessible and affordable to all young persons in the age group of 14 to 18 years. To provide a secondary education within a reasonable distance, that is 5 km for secondary school and 7 to 10 km for higher secondary school. To provide access to secondary education with special reference. First one is economically weaker sections of the society. Next, the educationally backward sections. Next, the girl and disabled children. Next, other marginalized categories like SC, ST, OBC and educationally backward minorities. Next one is interventions of RMSA. Over the period of 11 years from 2009 to 2020, the Government of India will intervene to the government schools on these three fronts. First one is physical improvement, next quality improvement, next equity improvement. For the first one is physical improvement. Physical improvement consisting on build and repair thousands of secondary and higher secondary schools all over India in partnership with industry, laboratories, libraries, art and craft room, toilet, drinking water facilities and teachers hostels in remote areas to ensure secondary schools within 5 to 10 km of every habitation. Next one is quality improvement. Quality improvement meant for employ 90,000 additional teachers in such schools to reduce the pupil teacher ratio 30:1, focus on science, mathematics and English education, teacher training, ICT enabled education, curriculum reform and teaching learning and a secondary education management information systemable also. Next one is equity improvement. Give preference in intervention to ashram schools, areas with concentration of ST, SC, minorities, weaker sections, female teachers and girls also. Next one is equity. Equity means the quality of being fair and impartial. So in equity, some facilities are there which is first one is free lodging boarding facilities for students belonging to SC, ST, OBC and minority communities. Next one is hostels or residential schools, cash incentives, uniforms, books, separate toilet for girls, etc. Next one is providing scholarship to minorities, needy students at secondary level and meritorious student also. Next one is inclusive education will be the hallmark of all the activities. Next one is expansion of open and distance learning needs to be undertaken, especially for those who cannot pursue full-time secondary education. Then we discuss the objectives, which is a very important part of a program. The objectives of RMSA can be summarized as follows. The first one is to improve quality education imparted at secondary level through making all secondary schools conform to prescribed norms. Next one is to remove gender, socio-economic and disability barriers. Next one is universal access to secondary level education by 2007, that is by the end of 12th 5-year plan. Next one is universal retention by 2020 also. Then we discuss action plans of RMSA. RMSA is planned to promote secondary education by establishing in every target school with the following infrastructure. First one is additional classroom, next laboratories, next libraries, next art and craft room, next toilet blocks, next drinking water provision and residential hostel for teachers in remote areas also. Next one is achievement of RMSA. The major achievement of RMSA as of October 2013 report are: first, 10,230 new schools were sanctioned and 9,219 schools were opened. Next, in 34,891 existing schools, 23,407 new science laboratories, 19,641 computer rooms, 25,869 libraries, 19,401 toilet blocks, 12,370 drinking water facilities and 2,016 residential quarters were allocated. Next, 64,215 teachers were sanctioned for the new schools and 24,184 teachers were already recruited. Next one is 49,356 additional classrooms were approved, out of which 9,516 have been completed. Then we conclude the RMSA. The government has adopted the recommendation of many committees and commissions for secondary education, but RMSA is the scheme we have never had before, because government had made provision through RMSA for the easy access to secondary education for every corner around the country. So, RMSA may result better for secondary education. Thank you.